The Samsung M18 5G delivers an impressive blend of performance, battery life, and photographic power at a competitive price point. It sports a 120Hz FHD plus Super AMOLED display that makes scrolling, gaming, and video playback smooth and vibrant with rich colors and deep contrast. Under the hood, the Snapdragon 7 Gen 4 processor handles everyday tasks and multitasking with ease, supported by a generous 16GB of RAM and 512GB of storage. Plenty of space for apps, media, and files. Photography enthusiasts will appreciate the 200MP camera, which captures detailed and high-resolution shots in various lighting conditions. Powering the device is a massive 7,500 mAh battery, ensuring long hours of usage on a single charge, and when it's time to recharge, 45W fast charging quickly brings you back to full power. Overall, the Samsung M18 5G combines standout specs in display, performance, battery, and camera to offer excellent value in the mid-range segment.